Try to get some chips to light the fire.
Yeah, man, respect gun.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
They're on another journey again with some cooking. Saying blessed to all the people them. Cut up some onion and carrot here for putting on some brown stew chicken. Then we have a jerk some chicken. So we have with time, yeah. Cut up with Irish potato already, yeah, so we have carrot cut up there, onion, thyme, scallion there, ketchup, everything there, so
Ready to roll.
ready to roll.
Yeah, man.
Rice and peas there in a pot, yeah.
Oh, yeah, cooking rice and peas.
Yeah, roast gungo rice and peas.
It smells good too.
Yeah, gungo rice
I
and
can
peas.
smell the coconut in it.
Yeah, gungo rice and peas. Some we already cooked some cabbage up here, so.
Oh,
Already cooked some steamed cabbage up here, so.
yeah, steamed cabbage.
Yeah, steamed cabbage. I'll have to roast the birthday party today.
Oh,
So,
that set them up real good.
yeah.
What you have over here?
It's a escovitch fish. Nice and pretty. Already set up already. I take seasoning.
Yeah.
Put the vinegar in it. Nice little more.
Oh, yeah, so.
Fried dumplings.
Right, dumplings.
Saltfish, ackee and saltfish. And some cabbage on the side.
Okay.
So, right now you can get a plate and help yourself.
Yeah, man.
Till I'm ready to go out and do that. You know you want a tea bag, yeah? Tea bag did it, all type of tea bag. Coffee did it.
Yeah.
Yeah? Me know which one them you want.
Tea. I already drink some coffee. Yeah, this is good.
Ah, good and so good, you know. You want to see Tuesday? Wednesday? But that work.
Fried dumplings.
With the lunchtime, get us back.
So gonna have fried dumplings.
Pea blood.
Ackee and saltfish.
Nah, I'm watching 10 minutes more, but do it before you get pea blood again. So I just pick up my bag and just left out.
Cabbage.
And go straight to the emergency. Yeah.
I think this is salt mackerel.
11 o'clock 99. From about 2 o'clock.
So spicy. Yeah, man. So after I eat, I'll catch you in a little bit. Alright, peace. Gong's kitchen.
There's some brown stew chicken.
Oh.
Yeah. The rest of the big party. Yes, sir. Russell house warming and party today. wait a minute. Let me take out the chicken filling. I'll turn some brown stew chicken now.
All seasoned up.
All seasoned up already.
Yeah.
So me on the fire go and catch for the grill. We just have to do the brown stew chicken. Yeah, that well seasoned already. Add the water. We had like a smoke. Liquid smoke, yeah. We had like a barbecue sauce, honey barbecue sauce. And like more we had some.
I'm taking a picture, Grandpa.
Yeah.
Yes.
Hello.
You want to take you taking a picture of you too? Oh, you're gonna hand the video dancing. Showing your high C. Tell them what you're doing. Tell them you're dancing for Grandpa. Tell them you're dancing for Grandpa. You're not saying nothing.
Hi. Grandpa. Over there.
Yeah, so Tony want to know we can go and stay there cook them now.
Grandpa is cooking.
Yeah.
Nana, did you put all your popsicle?
Spread it out now, make every
Eh?
I spread it out now, everywhere catching now.
Oh yeah. Yeah man, welcome again to another video. I'm here with the man himself, Gangali. And Gangali is gonna do some jerking and some cooking today.
For Russell birthday.
Yeah, the neighbor's birthday, so you know, Gangali cooking for the neighbor. Yeah man. So I hope you enjoy this little video. Alright gang?
Yeah. Have to come now winter time, yeah.
Yeah man, it's nice and cool. It's a nice, cool day in the DMV. Yeah man. Yeah man.
Cheers.
Yeah.
Dragon and beer in the early morning, yeah.
Yeah.
On the grill, see? I have to give thanks to life, blessed Selassie.
Rastafari.
Yeah.
Yeah man.
Many people can't do that today. Because they're not die.
True.
Some sick in the hospital.
Yeah. So you have to give thanks, you know.
Every time you rise in the morning above the earth, you have to just give thanks and praise to Jaja.
Yeah man.
More life.
Yep. Every day.
Every day.
And I watch nothing, I watch nobody. I don't care what nobody say about you. We have one shot at this life. There's no second chance, you know.
No.
So you just have to live it.
Live it. One life to live and just live it.
I don't care what nobody wants to say or think about you, you know. Just do what you want. Just do what you want to do.
No, in a life, yeah. Your life.
A year life.
Yeah. You have to live it. A life short.
Here you go. Alright, what we have to now?
Put some chicken on the grill, you know, because it ain't good to go, you know. So that's chicken now this already seasoned up.
Yeah.
Are you ready? That's a brown stew chicken.
Yeah, I can smell the aroma. It smells good, Gang.
Nice, tastes good.
Look at this.
Spicy too. Thyme and stuff. Put it see red, green and gold. That's a brown stew chicken. So, start him up now. Rough got bottom. Rough got top. Just mix him up. So you have to do him that the chicken to mash up, you know.
Yeah.
That's why when you cook brown stew, you can't cook it in a small pot because the top will cook and the bottom will cook and the top no cook. Bottom cook till the mash out. You have to cook in a wide pot.
Oh, yeah.
A lot of time. I'll pause. Some ketchup. A little shot of rum. Give him a little shot of rum. Yeah. Just one little cock.
This is it for it, right?
Yeah, I'm going to stay down there, cook down there now till I'm ready to share him. I put him in the fry pan. Everything already in there. We'll stir him up here now.
Stewed chicken looking good.
Yeah, tastes good too. Well seasoning. Seasoning from last week. So, if you're cooking this, then you don't want to mash up.
Start looking good, Gang.
Yeah. Change color now. Yeah, we'll check that one over here. Say now. See where the one there go on with that now.
Jerk chicken almost ready. This is what you call jerk chicken, right, Gang?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Real jerk.
Real jerk chicken. This is what you call jerk chicken. Yeah, man.
No, the grill, me like me the cookie race, I think them in the house, man. You from 4 o'clock, man. Yeah, man, but this, I choose now wait to the grill and me. I should in the freezer, you know.
Eh?
Them are outside, you know.
Oh, yeah?
And then frozen. That's why you know the time cold and here frozen.
Oh, wow.
You know, this frozen, pure ice, see? Ice. And in the fridge.
Yeah.
You outside in the shed.
Oh, it never in the fridge?
No, in the shed, outside. Put it.
Okay.
And the frozen, so you must know how cold the shed was.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Two chicken finished, you know.
Yeah, cook some rice and peas.
Yeah, some real rice and peas. Real gungo rice and peas.
Yeah. Oh, it's gungo. Oh, okay, it's gungo rice and peas.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, gungo rice and peas, the way it's sweet, you know, you not even need meat feet with gungo rice and peas, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, gungo rice and peas just it's said way.
You're not doing no fry planting.
No.
Yeah.
Russell never request that.
Okay.
I don't like committing there, you know.
Yeah.
Russell never request that.
So that's the gungo rice and peas and the jerk chicken.
And the brown stew chicken and the fish.
Oh, yeah, the fish too?
Let's go with fish, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Okay, this one.
Fly them and now start come up here now.
Oh, that means start to get a little warmer.
Yeah. And you see it get warm.
You have more jagger?
Yeah, man, look at the fridge in there for us in the morning.
Yeah. Oh, this is good.
Yeah, ready for go there now.
Look at this. This looks good. Get one.
Yeah, I chop up them jerk chicken and now put in the frying pan. So what I do here now, I'm going to paint my frying pan you know. Brush up my frying pan with some sauce, you know. I always brush up my frying pan with some jerk sauce.
Yeah. Russell. Yeah, man. Putting on your jerk sauce.
Yeah. I already have a sauce, you know, but after them go up on the
Great, kind of burn out.
yeah, so my sauce and burn out.
So here, as you can see, gang, put the sauce on the chicken. Now gang is cutting up the chicken so it can stretch, right?
Yeah.
Stretch.
Guarda video. Liana. Oh. Eh? Spicy.
Really soaking it back.
Season from last week.
Season from last week?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, wow. Marinade real good.
We're not jerking the pork today because Russell not eat pork.
Yeah. So any final word? Because I'm gonna...
Yeah, that's it, the end of it, and blessed, and keep watching and subscribe.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
please subscribe and like and subscribe. See it?
Yeah,
It's
man.
Gangali Kitchen.
Every time.
Every time.
Jerk chicken.
Hi, Grandpa.
Yeah.
What you doing?
Mm-hmm.
What you doing?
We just
Liana?
making some chicken.
You happy, Grandpa?
Liana? Chicken again?
Yeah, man. So we'll catch you on the other
Come,
one.
come
right?
get it.
Remember, Gangali's Kitchen. Brown stew chicken. Oh, this is how it looks. Look at this. Brown stew chicken. Looking good, gone.
Ah, brown stew chicken.
Yeah, man.
Chicken leg and
Wow.
Irish sweet bell pepper. Yes, good.
Yeah.
A lot of gravy. Time and everything, you know?
Yeah, man. Jamaican style brown stew chicken. Yeah, man. Gungo, rice and peas. Look at this. Looking good. Jamaican style. Gungo, rice and peas. Looking good, gang. Looking good. Gungo, rice and peas. Yeah, mix it up. Yeah, yeah. Wow. Looking good.
Gungo, lot of gungo. Stand up in him.
Yeah, man. Wow.
Like the restaurant, then we have put 1 dozen grain of gungo. That's all about gungo, right?
Yeah, you see how the gungo in there? Look at it, full of gungo. Look at it, look at it. Whole heap of gungo. Yeah, man. Jamaican style. Yeah, man.